Okay guys, we decided to stay. Enjoy namin yung facilities dito sa hotel. Definitely share naman. So ito siya. Guys, if you can see outside, there's the view of the mountain. So imagine in a very cold country, but of course it's summer this time. And na-enjoy namin yung swimming pool nila and jacuzzi indoor. So samahan nyo kami maghapon ulit. Tambay-tambay lang muna dito sa hotel. I hope I can bring some of you guys sa next adventure namin. So again, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, it's Rick Rico. This is your host. Keep it real.